I'm gonna walk, walk, walk with Jesus. How do I do that when I can't see him with my eyes? It's easy. Listen to me and you will see. When I talk to him, it's called prayer. Jesus always meets with me then and there. I start by saying thanks for how strong and powerful he is. Then I ask for him to help someone in need. I might ask for something for me, but most importantly, I thank him for listening to me and ask him to talk to me. When he does, I hear it on the inside, in my spirit. I walk with Jesus every moment, every day. I never want to go astray, but listen to each word he has to say. How else do I walk with Jesus? I read the Bible or listen when someone reads it to me. Then I ask Jesus and Holy Spirit to help me live like I should. And no matter what I'm doing, I ask Jesus to guide me. He's always there. I'm never alone. Knowing that brings me peace and joy. I walk with Jesus every moment, every day. I never want to go astray, but listen to each word he has to say. He's always there. I walk with Jesus every moment, every